It's Andrew. Today I'd like to teach you how to find the inverse of a function, and especially on a given domain, but guess what? It doesn't really even matter. Just don't worry about that part. All right, turns out it's not really that important. So we're going to find the inverse of this function. All right, first thing is wherever you have an f of x, I like to write a y. All right, so that's kind of the first step. Then what you're going to do is everywhere you have my y and my 4 looks basically, well, I didn't even circle the y, but my y and my 4 look identical, don't they? That's a problem. 4. That still looks like a y. Anyway, anywhere you have a y, you're going to replace it with an x. And everywhere you have an x, you're going to replace it with a y. Everything else stays the same. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take this equation and you're going to solve it for y. So I need to isolate y by itself. So the first thing is I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. So this becomes x minus 4 is equal to 2y squared. Divide then 2 out from both sides. Okay, so this is x minus 4 all over 2 is equal to then y squared. And you know to find just y on its own, you have to square root both sides. Okay, and once we square root both sides, we're left with this. So we're left with then the square root of x minus 4 all over 2 is going to be equal to then y. All right, and that's it. That's the inverse function. To clean this up a little bit, instead of writing the y, I'm going to write f of x. I'm going to turn it back into f of x, but I'm just going to write a little minus 1. Minus 1 on the top. All right, I'm going to write a little minus 1 on the top. The reason being is because I have to show that it is the inverse. And that's all there is to it. I do hope this video helped, and if it did, check out our channel because we've got thousands of video out there, not only in mathematics, but chemistry and physics as well. We want to help you through your class. We have step-by-step guides to do that. All right? And there's no substitute for hard work. Remember that. But if you're willing to put in the time, we're willing to help you then throughout your class, and we want to see you excel. And I know if you do that, I know if you follow what we have, you will. All right? You just got to put in that time. Let's do it together. I'll see you in the next video.